Welcome back, viewers. Welcome back, viewers, to our channel SNS Achievement Zone. In this video lecture series, we are going to come across or learn the subject ergonomics of farm machinery and implements. This video lecture series is going to contain 10 videos, out of which 8 videos will be taught by me, and the ninth one will be a case study type of video, and the final 10th one will be the course outcomes or the students understanding on the subject ergonomics of farm machinery and implements. To start with our first video lecture, the topic which I am going to present here is importance of ergonomics and its applications or outcomes in agriculture. Let's get into the topic. So, what is ergonomics? Human engineering or ergonomics deals with the aspect of man-machine combination system, which means engineering of the product or machine in order to fit the requirement of the operator. As the platform height increases, the spectacle resolution and observational area increases. The ergonomics deals with the relationship between the man, his occupation, environment, particularly his physiological and psychological knowledge to the problem arising thereof. The ergonomic aspects during applications in agriculture machinery are of great importance in between the operator and his ability to operate the machine in the field. So why ergonomics is so much necessary? The ergonomic aspects during application in agriculture machinery are of great importance as the operator has to operate the machine in a field. If ergonomic aspects are not given due consideration, then the system will be poor and effective work time will be more. So effective work time is to be reduced, for which ergonomics is to be considered. The stresses may be due to workload, immobilization for longer duration work, ambient temperature, relative humidity, vibrations, noise, smokes, and whatnot. Feels or a chance of feeling of an accident during work or a space confinement or overload of the information also has to be handled. It also results in physiological fatigue. During the ergonomic studies, these stresses can be measured by different methods and it can be measured in terms of strain on the operators. It may be different due to or difficult to measure for each and every one, but basically as a human we have a few common parameters. And the subject may be medically fit and represent real user population in operation of the select machinery. The selection is made on basis of the gender, age and weight. These are the three constraints. Generally, the subjects are selected for conducting ergonomic studies on agricultural machinery from India above. So, the physiological factors for measurements are given here. The basic thing is the strain measurement, in which we have psychological and physiological subdivisions. In physiological, we have the chemical, electrical and physical, whereas in psychological, we have the activity and the opinion. Again, which is subdivided into say blood content, urine content and metabolism. In electrical it's EEG, EMG, GSR. In physical it's like the BP, the blood pressure, the respiration and the temperature. In the activity it is the blink rate of the human eye and the speed bar errors which are connected. And the opinion it is like flicker, future and introspection. These are the stresses and strains in the ergonomic studies. And when it comes to the strain measures, similarly same to what we saw in strain, we have for stress also, which is psychological and physiological. It's work environment, circadian and environment, and finally the work. Work is like heavy work or the immobilization due to work. Environment is atmospheric, vibration, noise, heat or cold, etc. And circadian is the sleep loss which is caused due to the work which the operator does. Finally, in environment, you have danger and confinement, and in work, you have in fact formational overload and vigilance studies. When it comes to the importance, we have the worker health and safety measures to be carried out and the productivity. Worker health and safety, agricultural activities often involve repetitive tasks, heavy lifting and prolonged periods of standing or bending. Poor ergonomics can lead to musculoskeletal disorders, which will give so many health issues to the farmers and laborers, and is a very highly risky factor. And when it comes to productivity, ergonomical design tools and equipments can enhance the efficiency and productivity by reducing the physical strain of the poor workers. This can result in increased output and reduced downtime due to injuries or fatigue. And when it comes to the quality of works and the adaptation of diverse workforces, when it comes to the quality of work, fatigue and discomfort resulting from poor ergonomics can affect the quality of work. Ergonomically designed equipment can contribute to improved accuracy and attention to detail, ensure better quality in agricultural operations. Adaptation is ergonomic design allows for adaptation of tools and economics to accommodate different user profiles, making the work environment inclusive. And when it comes to the farm equipment design or the hand tools and implements or the workstation design, the three factors are explained here. The ergonomics principles can be applied to design tractors, plows, harvesters or other agricultural machinery as and when needed to ensure they are comfortable and completely user friendly. This includes consideration of seat design, control, placement and ease of operation to reduce physical strain on operators. Ergonomic design is crucial for hand tools such as shovels, hoes and pruners as well. Ensuring proper grip, handle design and weight distribution can reduce the risk of musculoskeletal disorders as stated before. Workstation designs for tasks that involve prolonged periods of sitting or standing, designing ergonomic workstations is essentially needed. This includes considering the weight of or the height of the work surfaces, seating arrangements and the placements of tools to reduce the stress on the body. And finally, we have the crop harvesting as well as the environmental factors. Crop harvesting techniques are like ensuring that the harvesting crops are easy to lift, lightweight, easy to handle, promotes body proper posture and can contribute well working of the harvesting purposes. And environmental factors consider like lighting, noise, temperature, etc. Creating comfortable and well-lit working environments can positively impact worker performance and reduce the risk of accidents. So thank you for listening to the first part of my video lecture, which is the introduction to the ergonomics of farm machinery and implements. See you soon at our second lecture. Thank you.